Howdy friends. There's a lot of debate on the internet about whether or not you can put nylon strings on a steel string acoustic guitar. I get why you wouldn't want to go the other way, but it seems like it's worth a shot putting nylons on one of these. Everybody says you shouldn't, but it doesn't seem like most people have actually tried it, so I thought I'd give it a shot. I did find a video last night of somebody who did, and it sounded fine, so what the heck. Here's my contribution. This isn't going to be super fancy. I've just got a USB microphone that I'm going to run all this through. This is a Starcaster by Fender, so pretty inexpensive. It's about 10 years old. I don't know. I don't even know what kind of strings are on it right now. We're going with these nylon ball end guitar strings 2409, concert quality. So I'll play some stuff, and then I'll put the strings on and play some more stuff, and we'll see. By the way, not an advanced player. The day may come when I own a peg winder, but it is not this day. works. I'm happy. Now we know. So these tuning machines are clearly not made for strings that stretch this much, but they get the job done. We lost a little bit of volume, and we're having trouble keeping the strings in tune, but I imagine that's par for the course with new nylons. And it works. It sounds like a guitar. That's what I hoped for anyway, so I hope this helps you with whatever answers you're looking for. Have a good one.